Within Oracle Fusion applications, Oracle introduced AI Agent Studio. We can use AI Agent Studio for different tracks: SCM, HCM, CX, customer experience, and for financials applications. We are inviting you to attend the session which we are going to conduct tomorrow on AI Agent Studio for financial applications. Here we are going to talk about what is AI Agent Studio all about. If you want to create the agent, what are the various steps are involved. Tomorrow, when we are going to work as a consultant on financials application, what would be your role when we talk about AI Agent Studio? That's what we are going to understand, and clearly we are going to differentiate the roles and responsibilities for technical and functional consultant with respective to AI agent, which is aligned with Fusion Financials applications. So this invitation for the trainees who are part of 100% job guarantee master program, who completed the program and who are already working and who are still doing this program. We are inviting the two category of consultants to join this session. To get exact schedule time, keep in touch with our program coordinators, and if you are interested, you can join based on the schedule.